Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use any network related apps on your WIKO U Pulse. To do this, first let's try to download something from Google Play Store, and right here if we click on any app and try to install it, it changes into the pending mode and it's stuck like this forever. So we can cancel the download for now and move on to the browser. So here if you try to open any web page, like YouTube, we have this error. And to fix both of them, we'll need to open our settings. Then at the bottom find the date and time settings, and here enable automatic network provided time. And if you go back to your browser or Google Play Store, it should work fine now. The same with browser. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.